Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to combine images in Adobe Express. So let's get started. First, click on the plus icon in the top left corner. Over here, select a project size based on your needs like square for Instagram or landscape 16:9 for general use. After that, click upload and select your images from your device. Then click open to upload them into Adobe Express. Over here, drag each image onto the canvas. Then arrange them by resizing and placing each image where you want. After that, you can right-click an image to bring it to front or send it back. If needed, use the crop tool to trim parts of an image. Over here, you can also go to show more options, then properties, and check the image dimensions. Then use this to align or size your images more precisely. After finishing, click download to save your combined image. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.